We're on a record in cause number 328094. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Lucas Marks. We have Mr. Marks appearing via telephone. Mr. Marks, can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how are you doing, Mr. Marks? Mr. Marks, how are you doing?
I'm doing just fine. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing fine as well. Mr. Marks, we have Mrs. Ashley Ramos, who's in court. She's one of the she is the assistant district attorney in this case. And Mr. Marks, you were scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 o'clock here. And you also scheduled to be in the criminal district court this morning as well. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And it's my understanding that your cases in the criminal district court were disposed of today and you received probation. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, it's also, you were scheduled to be here this morning. Why didn't you appear after leaving criminal district court?
Well, I talked to my attorney this morning, and she told me what time her docket was for me. So I just showed up at her time. And then when I got out, the paperwork just wanted me to go straight to probation, and I didn't have any paperwork for the misdemeanor court. So it just slipped my mind with everything going on.
Okay.
Went straight to probation.
Okay.
I had to walk over to your court. That's all that happened.
Okay. Now, Mr. Marks, you called in, I guess, before we entered the bond forfeiture. We had a hearing and we had ordered a bond forfeiture, but the bond forfeiture had not been entered by the court. Ms. Ramos, do you have any objections to the bond forfeiture not being entered?
No, Your Honor, I do not.
Okay, the state does not have any objections to the bond forfeiture not being entered, so your bond forfeiture will not be entered. And do we have can we give him a court date?
We'll give them an announcement court date, because he has to get a waiver, wants to waive his right to represent himself.
Right,
We can do,
we have 30 days, a regular reset.
we can do, well, April 26th, May 26th.
Okay, Mr. Marks,
Yes, sir.
your case is gonna be reset till May 26th of 2021. Hold on a minute.
Hold on, we have to do a Friday.
Oh, hold on a minute.
Is there any way I can make it tomorrow on Friday?
Yeah, you can do that if you want to.
We can do it tomorrow, definitely.
Yes, sir, because, well, what I had going on, if I had time to explain, is, I'm working out of state, and as soon as I get everything taken back care of with probation and all that, I'm planning on going back. So I'd like not to have any.
Okay.
Longer recess.
Okay, now, Mr. Marks.
Back to work.
Okay, Mr. Marks, what we're gonna do, we're gonna set your case for 9 o'clock tomorrow morning,
Yes, sir.
okay?
I'll be-
Yeah, it's gonna be in this court, 9 o'clock. You gotta be here in person,
Yes, sir.
okay? We'll see you tomorrow at 9 o'clock, and you have a blessed day.
I appreciate it.
All right, talk to you later. All right, bye.
Add that to y'all's job.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Thank you.